We're here at the UMB Recycling Center, which is the home for all of the recyclable materials on UMB's campus. Materials that are collected all throughout campus are brought here for sorting, baling, and then eventually pickup from several external vendors that then take them to other locations. We have some ecological landscaping, which is a nice feature of the building, using native materials and doing stormwater management for rainwater outside.
And we utilize our rack shelving in the facility for other specialty recycling collections like books, electronics, and ink.
This is the newest building on our campus, and so we wanted to provide an open space for people to come and tour it. This is not a building that you would typically walk into on a regular day, so providing that open house for students, staff, faculty, anyone to come and see the new features is a great opportunity to celebrate Campus Sustainability Month.
I attended because I'm interested in sustainability for the campus. I wanted to hear about all that was going on. It's great to work for a place that reflects your own core values in making the world a better place.